Oh, fuck, I haven't seen that coming. Yeah. Brilliant, I got all that on video as well.
You know what? I'll give you one. That's impressive that you tried.
Yeah. He broke it again. Do you want to get your bike up?
I wouldn't mind it, mate. Hold that. Oh, you just hit how far did I swing that?
A fucking long way.
That's right, so keep it going.
Ready? Go! Oh. Kick this back end around a bit. You went into the fence, that's your problem, Ellis.
What?
You went into the fence.
What fence?
That fence.
Oh, did I?
Yeah.
I don't think there's any damage.
No.
Just the mirror.
Go on, back down.
I fucking couldn't get my foot on the back, Ray.
I didn't think you'd be able to get up that.
I thought I'd climb straight up it.
Look what you trying to get up, Ellis. It's nearly vertical.
Is that a camera?
Where's your zip?
Is it? What are we doing with it?
Putting your fucking hat up, your mirror away.
Mirror snapped up.
Yeah.
Oh, I've bent my fucking, my foot is gone.
You bent it? Oh shit.
Everything else meant to be like that.
No, it's not. You've broken the fucking bracket on it.
Oh! Why?
You have to hold it like that and use it like that, fucker.
Is there not a way to get back on?
No, because you've snapped the bracket.
Oh, the fucking bit the handlebar goes on to snap clean off.
Eh?
Oh, I'm going to need a new one of these.
Yeah, you're going to need a new whole clutch lever. You'll get your new mirror bit as well.
What am I meant to say?
You dropped it, trying to go up a steep hill. Oh, my stand's down. You're just going to have to clutch it all the way back, bang it in second and ride it all the way back in second.
My dad's gonna fucking murder me. Where's my helmet? Where is my helmet?
On the floor in the grass there.
Do us a favour and grab it.
Well, I can find neutral, fucking hell.
That's gonna make a good fucking video. I thought it was gonna plough this.
I knew you wasn't getting up there, Ellis. There you go, mate.
Must have landed straight on that.
It did. You needed fucking more speed than that. You stopped at the bottom, more or less.
I thought I could save it. I was going down there, so I was like, I can save it. I can
You
save it.
could have saved it if you kept straight.